Hi, welcome. Let's make a feeble attempt.
Okay, so today we'll be turning this regular Google dot into a super cute ladybug. To get started, you're going to need to mask off the area that you want its head to be. Using masking tape, make sure the side that you push forward facing the border is completely flat. The other side can be a little bumpy, but as long as the area you're coloring is flat, it's going to be fine. Next, we're going to tape off the bottom, once again, so that the paint doesn't go where we don't want it to be. Then we're going to use a white paint marker to put where the eyes are going to be. This is so you can add googly eyes later, or if you don't have googly eyes, you can leave the white dots as is. Next, I add a little cute mouth. Now, first I used a fabric paint marker. I thought that would work the best because it is a fabric overlaying the speaker on the Google Dot. However, as you can see here, it kind of didn't work out the best. I still ended up with this grid-like pattern. I thought that maybe if I would color in the up and down direction and do full coverage that way, it would work, but it didn't. So I switched over to a regular paint marker from Target. It says that it's also for use on fabric, ceramics, everything else. It was kind of dried out at that point, so despite my shaking, the best way to get it reflowing was to dot in the stuff, and as you can see, the dot method worked pretty well. The ink was nice and saturated, and after I dotted it for a while, I could use it just scribbling back and forth like a regular marker. In between coats, I did let it dry outside in the sun. That way I could get better coverage and not keep getting ink all over my hand. So this was after it had all dried and I was ready to take the masking tape off. It worked really well for this step. That's a really clean line there, and a lot better than I could have done without the tape. Now we're going to work on between the wings, so make sure to tape out while you have the dot on so you can see where those lights are going to be and you don't overlap them like I did. So this time I kind of learned from a mistake and I marked off where I wanted the dots to be with plus signs while the Google Dot was on. So I think she came out pretty cute and a lot better than just the plain Google Dot she was before. I had a little antenna and I also tried to do the legs. I actually recommend not using masking tape for that part and just draw them on.
And there you have it. Our once plain Google Dot is now a super cute ladybug assistant. I hope you enjoyed our time together. Thanks for visiting. Bye!